Right, unboxing of the Logitech G29 with the gear changer, the wheel and the pedals. So, never been opened out, and we'll see what we've got inside the box. Now first of all, we've got to open up the security tag. Anyone's time. Right, we go. We've got some instructions on here, how to set it up. And a lot of very small text in all different languages. Right. Now what we've got in here now, all very well packaged. This is the power lead. Move this away for a minute. And you can see the pedals, and you can see the steering wheel in here. Well, let's get this out. There's the wheel. It's all well packaged. See the 24 function controller, your other extra buttons that this has got on, and your normal buttons just here for your PS3 and everything what you use to on your Xbox, with the control just there. It's got the light there for the gears, the revs that you're doing, and you've also got a nice little band at the top, so you know where your front wheel's facing. Now, the pedals. There's nothing else in the box. The box is empty now. And the pedals. Nice look and feel to them, and they are metal. They're cold as well, so they are metal. If you can adjust the pressure in this, I'm not too sure yet. Doesn't look like the adjustable. What you've got is the grip for the carpet, and that should look around like that, so when you're on the carpet you've got an extra bit, so you've got more grip on there. Rated to feel quite good. So, and back to the wheel. At the moment it's nice and free moving because it's not connected up to anything. It's got a nice leather steering wheel. All the wraparound is very good. Looks pretty well stitched up. You know, so your plus and minus you can use for your throttle as well. and other option buttons there for your PlayStation. Obviously you've got your paddles, forward and down, and then this. So basically if you press that button, there we go, gives a little twist, and come down, and this here drops down so it will clamp underneath here. You can tell that the wire is there. What we do need to just make sure the wire's out the way. I don't want to put it down on the wire, so leave that around there, put that to there. You see the other connections there for the gear shift, and for the pedals that plug into this, and there's the extra bits on here which you can plug onto the complete system that holds up the rack. And then you can press those down. And they hold in place. Now we've got the shifter, driving force shifter. Just take the seal off. Never been opened before. There we go. There's the shifter. There's some paperwork in there. And there's the shifter to screw the back to hold it steady. And the same principle here to adjust it and clamp it onto the desk. So a nice feel to it, and the gear lever feels good. It's a 6-speed plus reverse. Some of the new racing cars are 7-speed. I'm not too sure how we get on with that, but it feels quite good. And in here there's some instructions on how to set it all up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set it up on the computer, and then I will come back with part 2.